Want a pop of color for your lips without the harsh chemicals? Dive into the world of natural beauty with a DIY beetroot lip stain. Start by gathering fresh beetroots, a powerhouse of natural pigment. Wash and peel a medium-sized beetroot, then cut it into small chunks. Place the pieces in a blender, adding a tablespoon of water to help blend smoothly. Puree until you achieve a rich, vibrant juice. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a small bowl, ensuring you extract as much liquid as possible. Now, for a moisturizing twist, add a teaspoon of coconut oil to the beet juice. This not only nourishes your lips, but also helps the color to glide on smoothly. Mix well until fully combined. Pour your concoction into a small, clean container, ready for application. To use, dip a clean finger or a lip brush into your homemade stain, applying it evenly across your lips. The result? A stunning, natural tint that enhances your lips. Natural beauty with a hint of earthy charm. This beetroot lip stain is not only easy to make, but also free from synthetic additives, making it a perfect choice for a natural beauty routine. Remember, for best results, store your stain in the fridge and use within a week. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips.